Welcome to Core Sport Learning. Today we're going to be learning area of shapes. And the shapes we're going to learn the area of are rectangle, triangle, parallelogram, and trapezium. Let's do some maths. Study tips. Get a notebook out, jot down some notes as we get through the slide. Finish the questions in your notebook and post it in the comment section. We'll post your scores at the end of the video. When you put your answers in the comments, we'll give you your score and we'll give you some feedback. Now, let's get into the video. Area of rectangles. So the formula for an area of a rectangle is length times width, basically just 8 times 5. I'll give you an example here on how to do it. So we need to find the length and we need to find the width. So the length is 5 and the width is 8. So we do 5 times 8 equals 40 and equals 40. And you need to add in the units. It's centimeter squared. For any shape, it's centimeter squared for area. Now, let's look into the next shape. We have now an area of triangle. Area of a triangle equals base times perpendicular height. And if they ask you what the formula of a triangle is in any test, you can't say base times height. You have to say base times perpendicular height divided by 2. Let's look at an example. Let's now do it. We will do 8 times 10. These are the two units, 8 and 10 in the triangle. So we're doing 8 times 10 equals to 80. Now, we need to divide it by 2 because this is not a triangle. And 2 triangles equal a rectangle. So that's why we divide by 2. Which equals 40. And sometimes what they'll do in tests is they'll give you a measurement on the right side of the triangle going down here. It could be like 7 centimeters, 6 centimeters or something. Just ignore that part and just do the perpendicular length, which is this one. Now let's move on to the next shape. Now, area of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is just a slanted version of a rectangle. Area equals base times height. Same thing as a rectangle. Example. We have to do 9 times 10, which equals 90. And we're just done over there. And we need to include the unit centimeter squared as it is area. Now, let's move on to area of trapezium. Area equals base 1, which is this top part, plus base 2, which is this bottom part, and times height, which is this part, divided by 2. Now, area of trapezium may be the most complicated shape to work out. We'll add up these 2 units now. The 2 units that we are going to add up are 8 and 18. So we have to do 8 add 18 equals 26. Now we have to divide 26 by 2. And now when we divide 26 by 2, we get 13. And now there is one more step. We forgot this 6 centimeters, which then we have to times our answer by 6, which equals 3 times 6 is 8. And Carry over the 1, and 6 times 1 is 6, 6 add 1 is 7. 78 is our answer. Come to the end of the video, guys. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. We have some questions here for you guys to answer. Please jot them down in your notebook, answer them, put your answers in the comment section, and we'll give you some feedback and your score. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and like to Core Sport Learning.